Picture this. You turn off the main road, follow a quiet private gravel path, and pull up to 7120 Shanas Trail in Port Saint Lucie, Florida. Before you even step out of the car, you already know this home is different. This stunning custom-built CBS, concrete block construction home, sits on 1.25 private acres bordering the Savannas Preserve State Park, one of Florida's most treasured natural landscapes, built to last with solid concrete block construction. It offers 2,029 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space across 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, all priced at $735,000. Built in 2017 with no detail overlooked, the moment you arrive you are welcomed by a gorgeous wraparound porch, the kind you will want to spend every morning on with a cup of coffee. Step inside and you are greeted by soaring vaulted ceilings, 8-foot doors, and beautiful porcelain plank tile floors flowing throughout the entire home. The kitchen is a true chef's dream, featuring GE Cafe Series stainless appliances, a gas cooktop, double ovens, a stainless vented hood, a pot filler, and quartz countertops that are as functional as they are beautiful. The reverse osmosis water filtration system delivers the cleanest water right at your tap, while the dedicated stainless prep table gives you all the workspace you need. The master suite is a true retreat, featuring large windows that frame the surrounding preserve, flooding the room with natural light. The ensuite master bathroom is equally impressive, with a double quartz vanity, raised panel cabinetry, a built-in makeup station, ornate framed mirrors, and a walk-in closet. The walk-in shower is beautifully tiled with a decorative mosaic accent border, a frameless glass door, and its own window, making every morning feel like a spa experience. The big-ticket items are already taken care of, including a metal roof, impact PGT windows, spray foam insulation, a whole house 20 kW generator, tankless on-demand hot water, a central vacuum system, a cozy fireplace, a full pocket slider in the living room, and even a rain barrel, so you can move in with complete peace of mind. Outside, the oversized 2-car garage with 3 garage doors and an epoxy floor gives you all the storage and workspace you could ask for. With 1.25 acres of land and no HOA, there is more than enough room for your boat, camper, RV, and off-road vehicles, or simply enjoy the freedom of space that is increasingly rare in South Florida. Step out to the screened wraparound porch, which faces east to catch the sunrise and stays naturally cool in the afternoons, and you will understand what makes this property truly special. The rear of the home backs up to pristine wetlands, home to an incredible variety of water birds, ducks, and even otters. This is a private nature sanctuary right in your own backyard. This neighborhood is not just a place to live, it is a lifestyle all its own. Bordering the Savannas Preserve State Park, residents enjoy miles of trails, kayaking, and some of the most unique natural scenery the Treasure Coast has to offer. It is a community of large lots, with a true country feel, yet just 5 minutes from US 1, shopping, dining, and healthcare. Families will appreciate the Saint Lucie County School District, with quality schools throughout the area giving your children every opportunity to succeed. For your healthcare needs, there are 3 hospitals within 10 miles, so world-class medical care is always close at hand. Golf enthusiasts will love it here, with more than 10 golf courses within a 10-minute drive, giving you the opportunity to tee off any day of the week in perfect Florida weather. Living on the Treasure Coast also means easy access to pristine Atlantic beaches, world-class sport fishing. A true paradise for anyone who loves the water. For dining and shopping, Port Saint Lucie delivers in a big way, from waterfront seafood restaurants to the options along US 1 and Tradition Main Street. Palm Beach International Airport is approximately 45 minutes away, making travel as easy as it gets. This is more than a home. It is a lifestyle that most people only dream about, offering privacy, nature, luxury finishes, and everything you need just minutes away. To schedule a private showing of 7120 Shanas Trail, give me a call. Matt Walsh at 561-886-8456.